Hello, welcome wherever you are in the world. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Hope you're having a good day. So I'm going to show you how you can change your background on your Instagram story. This is my main account, JRM Tech 23. Go follow it. Much appreciated, guys. Right, let's get into the video. So let's take a photo here. It's going to be a plain black screen, and we're just going to place the phone on our lap and take a picture to do that. And then we can go over and hold down on the screen when you have the paintbrush open, and it will change the color to whatever you want. As you've seen, I just went from changing it from black to blue, and then I changed it to orange. I also accidentally started typing in orange. That was my mistake, my bad. I thought I changed color. And you can use a paintbrush to paint on whatever color you want. So you just saw me paint green on. So that's how you can change the background color, guys. You can obviously add some text, some pictures. Let's add a picture to see what it looks like, just to prove that the background color won't change when you add in a picture. So let's choose this one because it's white and black, which is completely different from orange. It doesn't look anything like it, yet we still have an orange background. You can also have multiple photos on here using the same method. Click on the stickers button and then add in the photos. So let's just add in this photo as well. Move these about. You can play around with it however you want. That's all down to your design. We're going to add in some text, so go check out the video. Right, so alright, it's not a new video, so we're going to delete that. But you can sort out whatever text you want. Really, you don't have to have text, to be honest, but I'm just adding text to demonstrate. You can change the color of the text, so let's make that black. And then you can also change the font, which I'm guessing you know how to do. Click the little A on the top when you have the font, and then you can, when you have the text selected, so that you can change the font. And that's how you do that, guys. You add it to your story. Sorry about this little pop-up, but to prove that it works, we're going to click on the story, and boom, it works. We have an orange background with a different color, pictures and text. Thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something today and hope you've enjoyed the video. Peace.